Xiaomi has launched a new power bank in China, bringing attention to updated safety norms and improved everyday usability. The device, called the Xiaomi Magnetic Power Bank 10007.5W 2026 edition, aligns with upcoming regulatory standards while adding a few practical features. The 2026 edition is designed to comply with China's latest mobile power safety regulations, which are set to be implemented in 2027. Xiaomi claims the device passes multiple new compliance tests, including scenarios like heat exposure, overcharging, and physical stress. It also features a redesigned battery cell along with several layers of protection that work across both hardware and circuit levels. Another addition is the ability to check battery health and status through a connected system, offering users more visibility into long-term usage. The company has also mentioned a recommended usage period of 5 years, which is now printed on the device to guide users on safe replacement timelines. The power bank comes with a total capacity of 10,000 mAh and supports both wired and wireless charging. Wired output can go up to 33W, while wireless charging reaches up to 15W. It also supports wired input up to 30W, allowing faster top-ups when needed. A key highlight is its magnetic attachment system, supported by strong internal magnets that keep compatible devices securely attached. There is also a built-in adjustable stand, which allows the phone to be placed at different angles for media viewing or gaming while charging. The device includes a small digital display that shows battery percentage, charging status, and alerts. It can charge up to 3 devices at once through a combination of wired and wireless connections and supports multiple charging protocols for wider compatibility. Priced at around 199 yuan, $29, the Xiaomi Magnetic Power Bank 2026 edition is now available in China.